In this video, we will show you step by step on how to create videos using InVideo. This is InVideo's interface. In the upper left side of the screen, you can see their menu. Click here to see what options InVideo has to offer. As you can see here in their menu, they have lots of options you can choose from. Also here in their main interface, they offer you a quick access to their options. In this video we will be creating scripted videos. You just need to have your script prepared and let InVideo generate the whole video for you. Now let's try and click Create Scripted Video. In this section, you'll be able to see the options you can choose from on what video you want to let InVideo generate. For this video, we'll choose YouTube since it's being created for that platform, resulting in a landscape format. However, if you'd prefer a portrait format for platforms like TikTok or Instagram, you can select the appropriate option instead. Now, in this section this is where you need to type in or paste your video script. Insert your script here. Once you're done pasting your script, you'll have to move on to the next section where you need to select the settings to customize your video. For this section we want our video to be fast and energetic, so we type in fast and energetic here. Next we select English for our video's language. Now, we can select the type of subtitle we want to incorporate into our video. Click on Add Clean Subtitles with Outline. Now, we can choose what type of voiceover we want to add to our video. We want a male voiceover for this video, so we'll select the male voiceover. Next, we'll choose the accent for our voiceover. Select Clear American Voice. Next, in this section, we'll select the type of videos to include. For this project, we want to use only stock videos, so let's click on Only Stock Media. Using stock media allows us to use pre-made, professionally created content such as images, videos, audio, and graphic without any copyright penalties. Now, we'll select the type of stock media to use for this project. Click on Use iStock as needed. Next, this step is crucial. To avoid copyright issues, we must use music from the YouTube audio library. Click on Use YouTube Audio Library only. And once you're done just click on Continue. With the settings finalized, we're ready to create the video. Click Generate a Video and let InVideo work its magic. Once InVideo analyzes your script and settings, it will allow you to choose your target audience. This ensures the video aligns with your selection. Since we want to target tech enthusiasts, click on Tech Enthusiasts. Next, we'll choose a vibrant style for this project to captivate viewers visually. Click Bright. Now we move forward to finalize our video selections. Click Continue. After seconds, your video is generated. Review the video and edit the video if you wish to make any changes. Now, if you want to make some changes to your video, click Edit. This will take you to this window with options to edit different parts of the video. Here, you'll see the chapters in your video and can make changes to the media, music, script, or adjust some settings as needed. If you wish to change some media clips in your video, just click on the media you want to change. For example, this clip, we click this to change the clip and replace it with a better one. InVideo has a wide selection of stock media you can use. Click on Stock Media to see their stock media library. You can also use their library to search for specific or appropriate media. Simply search using keywords for stock videos within InVideo. Select the media you want to use as a replacement. For this video, we'll choose this stock video, so click on it to replace. Once you're done selecting the media you wish to replace, make sure to click on Apply to save the changes. If you can't find suitable stock media in InVideo's library, you have the option to upload your own media. You can use other media from stock image and video websites like InVideo, then upload them here to use as replacements. This is InVidoo's interface. InVideo offers a wide variety of high-quality stock media that you can use for your videos. The videos are excellent and come in great resolution. Now, use the search feature in InVideo to find specific assets. Once you have selected the video you're looking for, click on this icon to proceed to download. Now click on Download without license. Now, once you're done downloading, return to InVideo. Next, click on Uploaded Media and this will lead you to all of your uploaded media gallery in InVideo. To upload the video you downloaded in InVideo, click here to upload the downloaded video. While uploading, it will show you the upload progress in this window. Select the chapter you wish to change the media. For this video we want to change this, so let's go on and click here. Next, choose the uploaded video to replace the media. Click on the newly uploaded video to replace. Now it's finally replaced, we can now click on Apply to save the changes. You also have the option here in InVideo to change the music. Just click on Music if you wish to change. Next, you can also have the option to change some parts of your script here. Click on Script if you want to change some lines in your script. Once you're done with all the changes in your video, make sure to click on Save Changes to save your project. Now you are ready to download the video. To download the video, click on Download Video. Next you need to fix some more settings right here. For this section we want our stock medias to have no watermarks in it, so let's select No Watermarks. Next, select None for the InVideo AI branding. Lastly, choose the best resolution for your video. Select 1080p. Now proceed to finalize your video download process. Click on Continue. Finally, complete the process by securing your finished video. Click on Download. Success! You have created a video using InVideo AI. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll never have to miss any update from us.